Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video we are back with another dessert since it's been so long since I made like a dessert cup. So this one is super quick and easy to make, and it requires only 3 ingredients, but for the flavors of it, it's insane. It's creamy, it's fluffy, it's soft, it melts in your mouth, and it tastes absolutely delicious. It's not too sweet, so let's show you guys. For this 3-ingredient dessert, here we have 250 grams of canned peaches, 120 grams of cream cheese, and 1 cup of whipping cream. And mine is already sweetened, so, and of course we have the sweetness from the peaches, so I won't be adding any sugar. But if you like sweetness, you can add 50 grams of sugar. You can use any type. So first thing first is we're going to puree the peaches, but leave aside a few pieces for decorating later on. After about 7 pieces of whole peaches, and now we're going to blend the rest into a puree. So we've blended the peaches and turned it into a nice puree. Now we're going to move to our next step. In a bowl, we're going to put in our cream cheese. And we're just going to mix it a little bit. And then we'll add the peach puree to it. Now we're going to add the peach puree. So before I mix everything together, now I just need to point this out. So if you have fresh peaches, use fresh peaches, but they're unsweetened, so you'll have to add some sugar. I'd say about 25 grams of sugar, and you'll add it with the peaches. And if your whipped cream is unsweetened, you'll also add another 25 grams over there. But since we're using canned peaches, they're already sweet, and our whipped cream is already sweet, so I'm not going to add any sugar. So now we're just going to blend this all together, and very gently. So once you mix it all together, now we're just going to put it aside, and we're going to whip out. In another bowl, we're going to add our whipped cream, and we're going to whip it until we get nice stiff peaks. So as you can see, we've reached stiff peaks, so now we're going to move to our next step. Now we're just going to take some of the peaches puree with the cream cheese mixture, and we're going to add it here and gently fold it so that we keep the consistency and the airiness of the whipped cream. So as you can see, this is the consistency of the mousse. It's nice, light, fluffy, and it holds its shape. So now we're going to put it into our serving cups and chill it in the fridge. So I finished scooping them into the dessert cups, and you can put them in a piping bag and then pipe them into the dessert cups, but I just scooped them and smoothened them with a spoon and a knife. And now we're going to chill them for a minimum of 1 hour, and then we'll decorate them after chilling them. So this is what it looks like once we've chilled it. We've decorated it with slices of peaches and just garnished it with a mint to give it that nice freshness. And as you can see, it looks from here, it looks quite airy. You can see pieces of peaches, and it looks really nice, light and airy, so I can't wait to try it. So it's holding its shape pretty well. It also looks really nice, and it's easy to cut through, so it's super light and it's fluffy, and it just disappears in your mouth. It melts in your mouth, and it's so good. You get that hint of peaches. You can definitely taste the peaches. They definitely come through, and you can taste sweetness from the whipped cream, and it all works really well together. So it's light, fluffy, airy, and it's absolutely delicious. So I highly recommend trying it. So this brings us to the end of today's video. I hope that you guys enjoyed it, and if you like this kind of content, please like, share, subscribe, comment down below, and follow me on my social media so you guys can support me to make more content. I'm available on Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and Discord. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!